guys, Katie here. So first I'm going to start out with some eyeshadow primer. This is just the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is what I normally use. Next I'm just going to be blending that out. I'm dipping into the Morphe 35R palette today, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lids. I'm not gonna lie, this palette is honestly kind of disappointing just because the colors do not really blend out that well, but they are pretty pigmented. So as you can see, I am just blending that out. I'm just mapping that out messily so that I know what I'm gonna do. I'm dipping into the shade Morocco. I will have all of the palettes that I used listed below. But Morocco is just a really beautiful light brown shade and it blends out really, really well. Next, I'm picking up this dark brown shade. It's called Fudge, and I am just going to be deepening up that crease. Switching to a clean brush with no product on it, I am just going to be pretty much running that over all the shadow so that it looks a little bit softer. Next, I'm just dipping into my Anastasia Dip Brow and blending that out. Well, combing it out. Whatever. Next, I'm just taking my ABH Dip Brow in the shade, I don't know what the shade is, but I will have it below. And I'm just filling out my brows. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil, and I am just going to be running that through my waterline and my tight line. I really just love to do this step every time that I do makeup because I have big eyes, so it kind of just pulls my eyes together and it just looks really pretty. I love it and I recommend it. So this is the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. It's perfect for cut creases. It's just perfect for pretty much anything when it comes to priming the eyes. So I did put a white powder on top of that concealer, and then I put the NYX Glitter Primer on my eyelid. After that, I put some NYX Loose Glitter on top just for a beautiful look. So for mascara, I'm just taking the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This one is amazing if you want really, really bomb volume. For primer, I am taking the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I really love that primer, so I need to go pick up a new one because I literally used up all of it. For foundation, I just used the Milk Foundation mixed with the Covergirl Foundation. And of course, just blending that down my neck so that everything matches. So for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Concealer. No, Rainforest of the Sea Concealer. But I really love this concealer because it does such a good job at just brightening up the areas that I need to. For bake, I am just using the Too Faced Ethereal powder. And I am just going to be placing that underneath my eyes and my nose and my upper lip. So I just like to wipe away all that powder when I am finished because I just do not like to leave that on for too long. As you can tell, it's just extremely bright, but screw it because I'm adding more powder. I just love having a completely matte face when I'm going to be out all day. Anyways, I'm just taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC41. I'm adding more mascara, and then I'm going back into that dark brown shade so that I can place it underneath my lash line. I also really love to put black underneath my lash line, so I also added the shade Noir. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to create a wing because I feel like no cut crease is truly complete without a black wing that really stands out. So I just feel like this really pulls together the look even more. So taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, I'm just going to be quickly running that through both of my brows. Next, I'm going into my ABH Contour Kit. I'm taking that light brown shade that you saw in the middle, and I'm just going to be lightly placing that on my cheeks and just blending it out. Now that most of the face makeup is on, I'm just going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to set all of that down. After that, I'm going to be extra and use the Volition Oil Control Spray. And I really love both of these products. Dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, I am going to be dipping into the shades Starburst and Butterscotch. Finally, for lips, I'm going to line them with the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Lolita. And on top, I couldn't decide which one I wanted, but I chose the Ofra Liquid Lipstick, and the name will be in the description box as well as everything else that I used today. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. Bye!